Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd. What's going on today? Forexfactory.com calendar. It's going to show us that we've got a 10 a.m. US news, which is a low or medium impact item existing home sales. This is a very important. Existing home sales needs to be a good number just because we need to see some churn. Whenever you have churn in the existing home market, it means lots of remodeling takes place as new owners buy older homes, and that pushes the economy. Also, you can have and home building in general, whether it's new home building or existing home sales, massive amounts of money get spent when a home is purchased, whether it's new or used. Massive amounts of money get spent on new washer and dryer, new mower, mow the yard, new heating and air system, you name it. There's a ton of money associated with buying a new home or a used home, whether it's remodeling or just getting yourself set up in a brand new home. Everything from, a workbench in the garage to, a new mower to mow the yard. It is what it is. So this is a big driver for the economy. 10:30 we have crude oil inventories, and that is all of the news for today, all of the scheduled news that is for the day. Looking at the daily chart, you can see that we had kind of a doji day yesterday where the market really did nothing. It went down, it came back up, it couldn't make up its mind, but now today we are definitely gapping up. So this is starting to really look like a bull flag that is breaking out to the top side. We're above the moving averages, and volume was slightly better than average yesterday. Very slight, still fairly pathetic on the volume side. So still in a bull scenario. Everything is bullish right now as we speak. We're in no man's land up here at an all-time highs. So there you have it. Looking at the inventory. So we had again a doji day where price did not go up or down, and inventory went down. So a little bit of maybe some profit taking, maybe some people saying, hey, this market may be a little overvalued. We'll just have to wait and see. That being said, we're moving on up today. So a little bit of, I'm not going to say this is not convergence, but it is certainly interesting because you have no price movement and down action on the, it's certainly not the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be correlated, and it's just not correlated right now. So keep that in mind. Put that on in the back of your mind. It's a card you want to play maybe possibly later. Overnight action was approximately 32 points, which is above average, but not crazy or anything like that. So where do we have support and resistance? As you can see, these purple lines are fib extensions. They are just guesstimates of where we could go going forward. You can see I've got one way, way up high at 64.55, one at 64, basically 6,400, and one just above the high, overnight high at 63.70. You'll call it 75. No idea where it could go due to the fact we've never been there before. So looking on the downside, where is support? We've got a little gaggle of support here at 63.46. You can see that it is still within the range. So how important is it? Not that much. You got the overnight low, 63.43. You have to then jump down for some confluence at 63.23, 63.10, below 6,300, but 6,300 being a whole number will also be of interest. However, we've got some confluence at 62.93, 62.80-ish, around that whole number. And that's probably as far down as we'll possibly could get. I'm not saying it couldn't go down farther if the right conditions surface, but the market has been bullish, and I would continue to be. The risk is to the upside that we are going to continue to go up, not to the downside. So that's the story. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 61.9. 61.9 from the Stock Traders Almanac. That is the percentage the market could go up. 61.9% chance it will go up today. That's all I've got for you. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.